Okay, listen, so if you are planning on making a lot of money on Black Friday, Black Week, Cyber Monday, it could be Christmas, whatever, you guys gotta make sure that you listen to my strategy right here. And this is not a strategy for only the people with high budget. There's a lot of things you can do with the lower budget too. But if you're one of the guys who's planning on crushing it on Black Friday or just making a lot of money in Q4 in general, you're at the right place. So I'm the Ecom boss. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys all of that. So I hope you guys hit the subscribe button and make sure you guys like this video. That's what we're gonna go over in today's video. You already know, because of the situation going on worldwide, there's gonna be way more e-commerce sales. Like, everyone is gonna shop online, especially in my country, right? And we could work with Black Friday, Black Week, Cyber Weeks, everything like that, just to milk a lot of money out of this season and then leading into Christmas. So there, guys, there's a lot of money on the table right now. If you want to be one of the guys who takes action and makes a lot of money, please watch this video. You are at the right place. So if you want to get into the dropshipping coaching program, you can message me on Instagram here. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video, okay? If you like it later, please just smash the thumbs up and subscribe, okay? I am every day, because you don't want to screw up, you know, by making changes like... So listen to this. Like I already say, because of everything going on worldwide right now, Black Friday week or just Cyber Week, Black sales in general is just going to be through the roof right now, because nobody's really going outside, right? And this is your big opportunity to score high in Q4, because nobody shops outside. I mean, I know there probably are some crazy people out in the world, but some countries at least have closed down a lot of things, and that's give you watching right now a big chance as an e-commerce seller to make a lot of money in Q4, right? So this is the lifespan that you guys want to follow. You want to first of all see that there's going to be a Black Week coming up, right? That's the week before Black Friday, where all the sales are rolling in, everything like that. So first of all, you focus on the Black Week, where you're going to be giving a lot of discount, basically just warming up your pixel for Black Friday. I would have my pixel already warmed up at this stage, but if not, you can still do it by then, right? So Black Week, you're coming in with a lot of sales in your store. You have a lot of different deals, upsells, just discounts. Your whole store want to be discounted, right? And then once Black Week is over, which is from, for example, let's say Monday to Friday, you're coming into Black Friday. On Black Friday, I got a huge strategy for you guys in a second, but let me just cover the rest of the lifespan here, okay? So after Black Friday, you want to keep milking money, right? So you will have a Cyber Monday following by a Cyber Week. This is what I do. And the cool thing about the Cyber Week is once the Cyber Week is over, we're already leading into Christmas, right? So there's no point for any more weeks like that now anymore, because now it is Christmas sale, right? So you'll be having sales the whole time, which is obviously maybe fake sales. I don't know. This gives you guys a lot of room for making a ton of sales in your store. So milk those weeks, guys, with discounts and everything. The thing that's going to be super important right now, guys, is that your store gotta have the Black Friday design. You gotta have those vibes, right? So maybe it should be black as a theme, for example. That might be a genius idea, or just show all the discounts. Honestly, this is a time where you guys could have a little bit of a spammy website too, to be completely honest with you guys, and never too spammy, right? But Black Friday is, I almost said Black Monday, but Black Friday is like a crazy week, right? We'll have everything going on all over the place. So if there's some discounts, if there's just some crazy stuff like spin the wheel, maybe not the wheel spin, but still, that is okay, right? But your store gotta have the design. What I used to do last year was having a deal of the hour, and the reason I was able to pull that off is because I do have a huge email list. But if you don't have an email list, it's still super attractive for just a new customer, right? So every hour you go in and tweak something on your store, right? So it's gonna be the deal of the hour, which means at 1 p.m., for example, you have, for example, the whole I don't know, bicycle niche is on sale. Like, you sell bikes on sale. That's just an example, which might be nonsense. And then later on you have a guitar sale. I mean, this doesn't really apply to dropshipping too much, because guitars and bikes, but we don't care about that. Just understand the principle here. And that is what you guys want to be doing with your dropshipping store. Have those deals of the hour. Just make the customer feel like it's not a lie. Like, feel like if I want to get this, I got to get it now. Use scarcity, of course, and just people are going crazy over Black Friday. So there's like so many good Facebook interests that you guys could use as well to just make a lot of money. Another thing I want to tell you guys is take advantage of your email list. Send out all the offers. If you don't have an email list, it's okay. I'll get into that in a sec, okay? But if you have an email list, just send out as much as you can. Let them know it's Black Friday sales. Use your data from last year. Just definitely utilize your email list. Send it out, because way more people than you would ever think are in the mood to shop now. Like, I'll shop myself. Everyone will shop. The only times of stores that doesn't have discounts is Rolex and stuff like that, because they say they know their worth or something. But you're just gonna try to take $1 from everyone on Black Friday. The next thing that I want you guys to understand before Black Friday, or not to understand, but to actually do, is to get a lot of data, because the thing with a lot of data is that will allow you to run a no interest ad sets, which basically means that you're running an ad set where you don't put in any interest, you don't target anything specific. And the reason you can pull that off, which you can't do unless you have a good pixel or you're like really lucky, is if you have a good pixel, Facebook knows who your ideal audience is. They know who to target, they know where to spend your money. You've been feeding Facebook so much money that they know where the customers are going to be. You don't necessarily need to put in interest because Facebook already know where your audience are. And that is a super huge advantage if you can get to that point where you have so much data on your pixel and on your ad account that Facebook knows where to go, so you can run no interest, which could be actually super accurate because Facebook will figure out where to spend the money, right? So try to get a lot of data. I would honestly spend a little to break even as well, just to get that data to run no interest ad set, but you know, you're the guy making the decision. Guys, this is part of the video where you press the thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. Please just do it for me. Thumbs up, click a like, and you can subscribe. Don't get banned before Black Friday. And now I'm not saying like way before Black Friday, because you should, but you should never get banned. But hear me out on this, okay? Don't get banned before Black Friday. If you're gonna try anything risky, which I don't recommend you to try anything risky, but if you have some weird idea of just trying like before and after pictures that you just feel like you have to do, okay, try them out. I mean, I obviously don't recommend it, but if you're gonna try something risky, do it way before Black Friday, so you can get your ad account back on Black Friday and know that you can't be doing those things, or that it actually worked, right? So I'm going to tell you guys a little story of a student of mine. So he was in the coaching program last year, and it was Black Friday. This guy was making $10,000 a day. That's a lot of money, right? And obviously on Black Friday, he was planning, or we were planning on scaling it to like 30-40K in a day, maybe more, I don't know, because it didn't happen. And what he did was, when I went to bed, he started experimenting with a lot of stuff, changing ads constantly just the night before, which don't do it. Like, schedule your ad sets the day before Black Friday and just publish them. You can't just go in and tweak everything throughout the day. And he got banned in the morning because he just tried so much new stuff on Black Friday, and that's not the way to go. You can't just try new stuff all the time on Black Friday. Like, you gotta run your ads at midnight and then just let them run and spend a ton of money. Just spend all your money if you have something going for you. Another thing that I find to be like super important is to get Black Friday creatives. This is like a super cool thing. If you can get a video that shows sort of like, you know, a little bit about Black Friday sales, or if you could get a picture where just in the right corner it says Black Week, it could be whatever. Just, you guys understand what I'm going, right? You want to have an ad or an advertisement that shows a little bit about Black Friday, gets the people in the Black Friday mood, right? This is a genius thing to do when it comes to Black Friday, because all the other brands are doing it, right? So you might as well do it yourself in order to actually catch their attention. And where should you order videos? The link in the description, guys. I got the guy who's making my videos. You guys can order from him. This is not an advertisement for him. I'm just saying, like, he makes good ones. So if you need it, you go there. There's also a good PayPal tracking code app there, which is gonna allow you guys to never have holds again. And of course, which nobody really gets, but it's a really good one. So let me tell you guys something valuable. Okay, listen up to this. If there's one thing you got to get out of this video, is what I'm going to tell you guys right now. So you might as well press like, okay? You need to understand which Facebook interests are good. And I shouldn't say this because I'm going to use them myself, but since I'm just about giving you guys value, the only thing I want is to help you guys change your life, I'll give all this away, okay? So the interest you use on your Facebook targeting is going to be broad. And the interest is used, I'll have it on screen here. It's going to be Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Those are super good interests that most likely will sell. Also, one thing I have experience with working real successfully is online shopping narrowed down by engaged shoppers. Because if someone is an engaged shopper, and I normally don't like engaged shoppers to like as something to target, but if someone is an engaged shopper, the chances are pretty high they're going to buy something on Black Friday, right? So online shopping as an interest narrowed down by engaged shoppers. You could also target an interest such as gift, and you could target Cyber Monday and Black Friday. If I didn't say that, I think I said that, but just target those. They're probably going to work as long as your product is good enough. I'm going to use them myself. I'm not smart for telling you guys that, but I just want to provide value, okay? So use those interests because they're most likely going to work. You could try some engaged shoppers too, because engaged shoppers are going to go crazy on Black Friday, right? So those are the good Facebook interests. And if you don't have any of these things I told you guys earlier, if you don't have like the ability to run no interest, if you don't have a huge email list, if you still have sort of like a spending limit, which gets rid of your spending limit before Black Friday. So the way to get rid of your Facebook billing is to just get billed often. There's no other way. Run ads consistent, get billed often, then ask for a raise. Get rid of that as quick as you can. So start running ads now just to get rid of it. But if you have all these problems, like you don't have an email list, you can't run open interest because you don't have the data, still got you guys. So what you want to be doing in that case is just to test products normally. Just run ads like normally, because the thing with Black Friday is your chances, I've been testing on Black Friday before, besides running my winners, right? And with other students of mine. So I've seen that on Black Friday, you can test with way higher success. So if you're planning on testing a product, just do it on Black Friday and the day before, and do it throughout the cyber weeks. Maybe if you don't have a winner now, if you're not planning on scaling to 100K a day or something, you guys can still pop a winner in this, during these times, right? right? So it's a perfect chance for you guys to just also test products, trying to pop a winning product, because people are going crazy on the online shopping, right? So if you don't have a winner, then just test products, just run ads normally, because it's probably going to work out. And I also recommend you guys to test one product a day, just in case you would be able to get a winner before Black Friday, right? What I recommend you guys to do is implement what your ad account and your budget can do for my list. If you can't do 5 of them, and you can do 3 of them, implement 3 of them. I'm not saying you guys have to implement everything, but just do as much as you can from this list, because this list is proven to work, because I made it work last year, and the sales went crazy last year. It really did. I remember last Black Friday, like I was freaking out, dude. Like I was going crazy. If you have lookalike audiences saved up from last year, LLAs or custom audience, this is now the time to run them again. So if you manage to save your lookalikes, run them again this year, because the lookalikes you have from Black Friday last year are obviously people that looks like your past customers, and those lookalikes again this year is just gonna be a copy of people that bought last year. So if you use your lookalike audiences now from last year, keep that in mind. You're gonna find people that's gonna buy on Black Friday. Like you're gonna find a Black Friday shopper. So that's a genius thing you guys can do as well. We just want to touch on this real quick, even though I just said it a little bit. Pop-ups can actually work, giving discounts and everything. Don't be too spammy, but it's like okay. And the worst thing about this is Mark Zuckerberg, he said it himself, dude. The hard work the Facebook employees been putting in during this situation that's going over in the States, worldwide, everything like that, he decided to give them a vacation, 7 days off or something. It's going rumors that their vacation is going to be on Black Friday weeks. So the problem with that is going to be that you'll have a problem getting your ad accounts unbanned. We're not sure about this, but I think that's what's going to happen. So you better not be banned before Black Friday. Just be a little bit careful there, because if you get banned and they're all on vacation and only a robot can answer you, you have a problem getting your ad account back. Okay, so just these are the times of Facebook where sadly we all wish we could just destroy Q4, which you totally can, but we just have a couple of problems here. It was the election, and there's been a lot of things going on, so just be a little bit careful, okay? And listen, guys, if you miss Black Friday or if you miss Black Weeks, you can still make a ton of money later in Q4. Christmas, later November, you can make a lot of money in January too, because January is when people are gonna start something new. They're gonna get fit, they're gonna start something new. So if you're missing out on this, you can still make a ton of money. Dropshipping is well alive. Someone asked me the other day if dropshipping is dead. It's truly not, right? So don't be super worried if you can't do it, like, because you're watching right now. If this is not your time, in 3 months you could be the next guy blowing up, right? Because you know I'm with you guys. I believe in everyone watching, so don't stress, but definitely put in the hours, guys. Put in the work. So this is your biggest opportunity to break through, so don't waste it, okay? You will never have a bigger opportunity, maybe next year, but the thing that allows you guys to really sell this year compared to next year, which you can sell crazy next year too, but it's the fact that everyone is inside and they won't shop too much outside, right? So it's a genius time to sell a lot. I know you guys can make it work. If you like this video from the Ecom boss, make sure to smash the thumbs up on it, and that you do subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe and like this video, I would appreciate it so much. I appreciate all of you guys watching, like for real. Subscribe's been going crazy lately. I'm just so thankful, and I'm glad that I can help you guys and impact your guys' life. It really means a lot to me. And so that's about it. You'll see me in the next video. Peace.